Welcome to our video on how to find equivalent fractions. Today, we'll focus on finding equivalent fractions for the fraction 8 over 9 by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. We start with the fraction 8 over 9. To find equivalent fractions, we multiply or divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. This process doesn't change the value of the fraction. Let's start with multiplication. For example, if we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2, we get an equivalent fraction. 8 times 2 is 16, and 9 times 2 is 18, so the fraction is 16 over 18. Similarly, if we multiply both by 3, the entire fraction becomes 8 times 3 and 9 times 3, resulting in 24 over 27. Now, let's talk about division. Here, we'll take a different example for better understanding, since 8 over 9 isn't directly divisible. Consider the fraction 10 over 15. We can divide the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor, 5. Remember, equivalent fractions have the same value but different numerators and denominators. You can find them by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero number.